this is me, Cole, who's vlogging this time. But it's a long drive to go home. I might fall asleep, and here is the view, and here's another view, and here's the mountains, and here is my blanket because I'm cold, and here is my stuff. That is the houses we're passing by, and the things we're passing by, and that's our friend. That's my friend Ivy inside that car. It's so bright, fam. Wait, my eyes are like yours. Look, my eyes are brown. Is your eyes brown?
I don't know.
Maybe it is. It looked like you.
Why?
Because my eyes are brown. And fam, there is the school we're passing by, and the cars we're passing by. We're following Ivy, and there, and we really late for that camping. Right, Nanay? Nanay, I love you.
I love you too.
I'm back again. I was checking the videos, and we're here to get gas. And look at that red house. Tito Bry?
What?
Nanay falls asleep.
Yeah.
Pretend they're falling asleep. Pretend. Because we're pretending we're going to camping again. And the fam. Here's my seatbelt. Okay, that's a keeper. And look at my Santa plushie. What? Okay, and we're gonna vlog in the camping. Goodbye.
That's 21. This is the
Tapos dito lang yung campsite. So ito lang. Siyempre malamig. Who has bigger muscle? You? You sure?
Oh, do push up. Can you show Genesis how to do push up?
Don't exercise anymore.
Like who?
Like that.
Maybe you need to exercise more to be like that.
You're doing fast.
Ayoko na maglaro.
Pati yung karne pinay. Can you show me your unlimited power? What? Oh no! Oh no. Susulat ko sila yung may mga balance pa daw sa kanya. Basta ng utang. Kumukulo yung tiyan mo ah. Kaya Bray. Mainit lang. Sira kuya? Buti safe. Ang dalawang fanatic ng ano, ng drone mo.
Gulot nga ako Uy, siya lang mismo gumalaw.
Baka sa hangin, kuya?
Hindi, nagulat lang ako. Biglang gumalaw.
Your turn. Ilang feet yan sa Temo? Ano sabi sa Temo? Ilang feet?
8.
Pwede naman. Ay, nako.
Where lion was not going?
Third wheel. Itong towel mo. Shot. Anong shit?
Wala na akong chinelas. Wala na akong chinelas.
Asan na? Asan na?
Saan pa ba? Saan pa ba?
Asaan?
Lumabas.
Lumabas.
No, 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 no.
Hanap sa chinelas niya, no? Wala yung chinelas. Uuwing nakayapak.
Where's the final one I said?
What final one are you both talking? Ay, chef na pala siya ngayon.
Ano? Chef Ryan.
Chef.
Gusto mo ako pa isip-sipin mo eh. Kaya naman siguro kalabanan yung isang bear, no?
Kaya yan. May moving ganun, di ba? Yung sa Netflix. Yung true story sa He asked me to throw the garbage. Kising na siya?
Hindi pa. Taas araw ah. Taas araw mga...
Ay, din.
Magsaing na lang.
Pwede pa naman magsayo yun.
Hoy! Pumiblur tuloy. Tignan siya sa drone.
Ang ganda ng shot ko, record mo.
Nirecord ko na.
Bubaba yung araw?
Hindi, tataas. Nagigit na pa kasi. Para tututok talaga.
Malambot na to. Alam mo.
Update na.
Ayan, bye.
Kuya Mary, ka nakakasi ng anak.
Baka maano ka dyan. Diretso ka dyan.
Anak kasi ng anak.
Are you
Why am I shaking? Ang bigat niyo eh. The one I can throw between the two of you, the farthest down there, is the winner. Okay? So I have to throw you down there.
Are you just joking?
Maybe.
Dali, kunyari dadamputin mo na sila, Mer.
Ready? You first. You first.
Si Cobb naman, sabi mo ayaw niya. So
You second. He's brown leg. Kala mo nagsushoot ng music video eh. You can do 3 push-ups, go. I will give you 100,000 cents.
Go! 3 push-ups!
Hindi. $10 din yun.
Hindi daw.
Yo,
Ilan?
100,000.
Kaya pala yung unti-unti pala si John.
Go, Coach Merritt, your turn.
We have to defeat Johnny Sins.
Anak na, too much ha?
Hindi na lang, i-judge mo.
Pag yun sa utak ko, kahit nag-gym na.
High five.
Try to go to
Low
Coach
five.
na rin niya. Coach na rin.
Kaya nga nagsiselos na nga kapag si Cobb lang ang inahano.
Takot na takot siya nang ihagis na siya ni Mary.
Oh, careful.
Kung tayo ay matanda na. Sige nga, kunyari walang ngipin.
Wala na yun.
Hirap, di ba? Who's your favorite? Me or Kuya Julian?
One more.
Siko.
Hindi pa.
We have to delete it.
Tatay, are you taking video?
No.
Tell me in my ear. Who's your bestie?
Ay, tanongin mo ulit siya.
Only one bestie.
Uy, sira! Kanino yun?
Is yours?
You broke it.
You broke it. Oh no. Tell Tito Mabsi we will buy it, but he has to give us 300.
But some others, it's 400.
Oh,
400 na!
wow.
Pakipag-deal ka na, ma'am. Tataas pa yan.
Mas malupit pa sa 5'6".
Where are we going, love? Where are we going? We're going to check if there's parking space.
Are you vlogging?
Yes, I am. You wanna do it?
No.
Okay. There's the lake. Oh, may parking! Tara na! Ayan. Hindi ba to parking? Hindi pa ba ito yon? Huwag kayo maingay na may WIFI kasi yung Junakis ko mag-aaning yan. Sabihin, tinan mo tayo talaga yung gusto tumakbo doon at sabihin. Wala kami pinag-usapan. Ano yan? Biglaan yun.
So we are back, guys. On the way po kami dito sa Blue Wheel Lake. So we've been here for 17 days. This is our 8th day. So yes, guys. And I'm with these guys. With these people. These people. With these people.
Hi.
Hi.
Bluey. Lake. Pakita mo yung lake.
Oh, ganda. I think it's bleeding. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. So guys, we will show you the Blue Wheel Lake. It's blue, that's why they call it Blue Wheel Lake.
Ganda ko yun ang video mo.
Yeah, there we go. There you are. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna change the... Oh. Hindi pwede ano. Okay. So yeah, in few... Never mind.
Baka dito sa hinihila ko gumagaan.
Hinalo namin host.
Opo. I'm just a cameraman. Wow! Yeah, pwede sila mag-park dyan. Oh, wow! Look at that, my friends. Yeah. So yeah, it's nice to hear. Also, these people behind me. Yes, sir. Yeah, these people. These people's like this, like that. I Tapilocks.
Huh? Say bye.
I Tapilocks.
Say bye na.
And there's other people here too. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Hi them. Hi to the vlog. It's really nice here, guys. Oh, it's so nice here in Bundok. Yeah. Oh wow. Bluey Lake. I'm looking for Bingo Lake. Ba't nagiging vlog ko na to? Nasubura na ako.
It's painful.
What about the heart sign that Coach Mary taught you? Heart.
We're gonna go back now.
Look at your friend. Oh, she's sleeping.
Why?
Wait na muna.
Uy, tama na. Sabaw lang. Sabaw lang.
Sup-sup sa akin.
Tapos yung toyo, paano kainin toyo?
Paano kainin ito?
Sutsutin mo na. Pinaka-fresh na chili garlic na nakita ko. Niluluto. Habang kinakain. Chili garlic.
I love garlic.
Why are you showing me the video? Let me check this in the other. Hurry! It's a big chicken now. It's a big pizza. Here's your pizza. It's kind of messed up because someone destroyed it.
Can you hold? Thank you. Hold.
I cannot hold.
Thank you. Keep holding. How can we finish?
I cannot hold anymore.
Oh, you can't hold any. How can I finish? We're going home. I'm gonna say bye lang to this campground. Bye.
This camping.
Say it again.
Bye, this camping.
Bye. We're going home.
I'm gonna miss you.
Aww.
Bye, vlog.
Tell them your experience first.
I've been staying with... I don't know what to say. I've been playing with Eri. I paddle board with Mama and Tatay. That was last year. Goodbye, fam. Goodbye, fam. I will miss you. Is that minty?
Okay.
This is the Manyan smile.
Who taught you that?
Coach Merrick. Super bumpy. Super bumpy. No, not like that bumpy. Like a while ago. Bro. The one like, where's it? Like so strong.
Like that? So very strong.
Nope, that's not what I'm talking about. The very super 100 strong.
Excellent.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba ipapalamig?
You forgot the wish.
Wish. I don't wanna sing it.
Kasi...
Talk to Tata, okay?
Okay.
Wait, when we cry, the cheeks gets pink. Goodbye, vlog. Please watch our next vlog.